Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change game difficulty in Europa Universalis IV. And to do this we'll need to click on the options inside the game and before we actually start. Now when you open the options menu, there's a difficulty and you can change it between normal, easy, very hard, and that's all of the options. And what it does, the different difficulty settings grant different bonuses to the player or AI nations to adjust the overall game difficulty. If set to normal, no nations will get bonuses. On easy, the AI is more forgiving towards the player, whereas on hard it is far more aggressive. On normal there is a 0% score bonus to overall game score. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.